Dear students, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you about your maths activities that you have to do on a practical notebook or in punch sheets. Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you about the activities that you are going to do in this academic session. The PDFs of all the activities I have already posted in this class. So I'm just going to write down the names of the activities. The first one, the first activity is to make a square root spiral. So as I told you, I have already given you the PDF of the above activity. Now if you are doing it on the punch sheet, then the punch sheet should be one side ruled, one side blank. So on the blank side you will stick the graphs you will make the diagrams on the blank side. Okay, and if you are using a practical notebook, then automatically one side is blank. So on that blank side you will draw the diagrams, or if there is any graph you will stick the graph over there. Okay, now the second activity, to verify the right identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This you have to verify experimentally. Okay, now the third activity, to find a hidden picture by plotting and joining the various points with given given coordinates. Now the fourth activity. The fourth activity is to verify that angles in the same segment of uh, circle are equal. Okay, that is your fourth activity. Now the fifth activity. To verify experimentally that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, means their sum is 180. The sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. And then the last activity, to find the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder experimentally. That is the sixth activity. Okay. So the first activity is to make a square root spiral. In the first chapter, you will get this square root spiral. Second activity, to verify the algebraic identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc is 2ca. And the third one, that is to find a hidden picture by plotting and joining the various points with given coordinates. Fourth one, to verify that the angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. And the fifth one, to verify experimentally that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. And the sixth one, to find the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder experimentally. Okay, so these are the six activities. There are PDFs in your class. I have posted. In those PDFs, it is given how you will do these activities. So do these activities and keep them with you. Whenever called, you have to bring them to the school for submission. Now you know that in the previous class we were doing construction. I told you about perpendicular bisector of a line segment. So today we will continue with the constructions only. Okay, one more thing. Few of you have doubts or problems with your marks that you have got in your subjective assessment exams. So I have posted the solution PDF also in this class so that you can tally your question answer sheet with the answer sheet given by me. That answer sheet is solved by me, so you can tally. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can message me on my personal number. Okay, so we continue with with this construction part. So today I am going to tell you how to construct construct angles like 60, 30, 45 or 105 or 120 or like that. Okay, so all of you pay attention. First of all, if it is a straight line and there is a point, suppose AB is a straight line and there is a point C on that straight line. Now taking any suitable radius in the compass. Suitable means neither much too large or too small. Take a suitable radius in the compass, and with C as the center you draw an arc like this. Okay, with C as the center you draw an arc. Now without changing the radius, I repeat, without changing the radius, taking this point as the center you draw an arc, and then taking this point as the center you draw another arc like this. Okay, clear? So if you join C to that point, so this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, this angle will become 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. And if you join C to with that point like this, then this angle will be 120 degrees. If you start from here, this whole angle will be what? 120. Because 60 from this side, so from that side it will be 120 degree. So I have already told you how to construct 60 degree and 120 degree. Clear? So we have done 60 degree and 120 degree. Now what you do? Now with a new radius in the compass or with the same radius, that doesn't matter. Taking this point as the center, you draw an arc, and then taking this point as the center, you draw another arc. But the two arcs that you are going to make from taking these 2 points as the center must have the same radius. Okay, from the previous radius you may change, but when you draw 2 arcs, one from with this center and the other with this center, the radii must be same. Now suppose they intersect each other at this point. Now you join C to that point, and when you join C to that point, you will get angle 90 degree. This is how we make angle 90 degree. So in the same diagram you can see we have drawn 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree. Clear? Okay. Now again you may change the radius or you can keep the radius same. With this point as the center you draw an arc, and with this point as the center you draw another arc. These two radii must be same. So with this point as the center you draw an arc, and then this point as the center draw an arc. The two arcs they cut each other at this point. You join that point with C, and this is nothing but 30 degree. Actually we have bisected the angle 60. So when you bisect angle 60 you will get angle 30. So this is angle 30. We have drawn angle 30 also. So you can see in the same diagram I have told you about 60, 120, 90 and 30 degree. Now what happens with a new radius or with the same radius? With this point as the center you draw an arc here, and with this point as the center you draw another arc here. The two arcs then cut each other at this point. You join that point with center with point C. So you can see once again we have bisected angle 30, and when you bisect angle 30 you will get 15 degree. So this is angle 15 degree. Clear? And here you see, if you bisect this angle 90 and 120, this is 30, between 90 and 120 you bisect, taking this point as the center you draw an arc, then taking this point as the center you draw another arc. The point at which the two arcs cut each other, you join it with C. So when it is bisected, means this angle will be 50. So 90 plus 15, it is 105 degree. So I told you how to construct 105 degree also. Clear? Now in a different diagram, I'll show you how to make a 45 degree or a 135 degree. So there is a line, a point. Now with a suitable radius and this point as the center, you draw an arc. Now with the same radius, you draw an arc here, and taking this point as the center, you draw an arc here. So you know, and then with this point as the center, you draw an arc here, and this point as the center, you draw an arc here. Simply you see, we have drawn the 90 degree. Okay, so this is angle, we have drawn the 90 degree. Now this is nothing but 90 degree. Now you bisect angle 90 and you will get 45. So here when we bisect angle 90, taking this point as the center, you draw an arc, at this point as the center you draw another arc and join. So this is angle 45. When we bisect angle 90, we get 45. And here taking this point as the center, you draw an arc, taking this point as the center, you draw an arc, and this is another bisector. So 90 plus 45, 135 degree. So you have seen that I have told you how to construct these angles. So in the next class, we'll continue with the construction of triangles. Thank you, and try to finish your math activity as soon as possible. Okay.